New tonight, a series of wins for some meant losses for others in the Tennessee legislature. Lawmakers wrapping up their session of this 114th legislative session. And 10 News reporter Olivia Daig spoke with current and former lawmakers on both sides of the legislative aisle to talk about what went right, disappointments, and also successes in a session that lasted for more than 4 months.
As the sun sets on the Tennessee state legislature, I asked politicians, past and present, to grade this session. For Republicans, a voucher expansion, nuclear investment, and a balanced budget, they all go in the win column.
So when you really just take the budget as a total, it's one of the most fiscally conservative budgets in the country.
Tennessee increased the number of publicly funded private school scholarships from 20,000 to 35,000 in a controversial victory for the GOP.
Just more kids that will have the opportunity to leave a failing school. You know, some would consider that a win, some would consider that a defeat.
For Democrats like Sam McKenzie and Gloria Johnson, a school voucher expansion goes into the loss column.
We're paying for their private education, and we're doing a better job in our public schools than they are in their private schools.
Democrats were also disappointed in legislation they say would harm immigrants. On the positive side, Sam McKenzie says there was some voter reform for former felons, and Gloria Johnson says there was some DCS protections for some children that were passed, but ultimately for the legislative minority.
What did we do that helped people this session? And honestly, I can't think of any. I'm sure my colleagues across the aisle will say vouchers help people.
Republican Senators Becky Massey and Richard Briggs say that they did see a loss. They didn't get the mental health hospital funding that they were hoping for. But overall, Republicans give this session a B and Democrats give it a D or an F. In Knoxville, I'm Olivia Daig.
Tennessee Governor Bill Lee saying his teamwork with lawmakers will deliver real results for people across the state. In a statement tonight, the governor saying in part, over 8 legislative sessions, we've passed strategic measures to invest in education, strengthen our workforce, improve infrastructure, and secure our state's position as a leader in next-generation nuclear technology and energy. The governor praising the expansion of his signature school voucher program. It uses public money to pay for private school tuition. The almost 7,000 scholarships will all be options for families, more families. They're $7,000 apiece, going from, as Olivia mentioned, $20,000 to $35,000 a year. We want to hear your take. We're asking the same questions of you, wins and losses this legislative session. Scan that QR code on your screen and it will take you directly to our legislative survey.